Hey everybody, welcome to Morty B3, and we are going to have a international snack taste test. Munchmallow. I don't know what a munchmallow is, but I'm ready to try it. It is a product of Serbia. Let's see what happens. It says the serving size is 3, but I am just going to have 1 because I need to save the calories, and plus I really just want to taste it, and then I'll have 3 later on if I like it. Hello. Here it is. Do-do-do, do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Looks good. Let's change this angle. Okay, that's much better. Munchmallow. Let's see what happens. Okay. Kind of underwhelming. The chocolate is waxy. Marshmallow's good. Oh, that's a cookie or what on the bottom there? But it's a little dry. But overall, give it like 3 out of 5 stars. I don't know. Stars? Should I use stars? What should I say? Stars? Morty faces? I don't know. Well, that was a munchmallow. We'll take it later. Just kidding. That was really, really dry at the end. So, 2 stars. Okay. Now we'll see you later.